Setting water hardness. The descale message is displayed after a period of time established according to water hardness. The machine is factory set for a hardness value of 4. The machine can also be programmed according to the hardness of the mains water in the various regions, so that the machine needs to be descaled less often. Measuring water hardness. Remove the total hardness test indicator paper attached to the manual from its pack. Immerse the paper completely in a glass of water for 1 second. Remove the paper from the water and shake lightly. After about a minute, 1, 2, 3 or 4 red squares form, depending on the hardness of the water. Each square corresponds to 1 level. Set water hardness. Press the Menu ESC button to enter the menu. Press the hot milk or latte button to select water hardness. Confirm the selection by pressing the button. Press the hot milk or latte button and set the hardness shown by the indicator paper. Press the button to confirm the setting. Press the Menu ESC button to exit the menu. The machine is now reprogrammed with the new water hardness setting.